money doesn't buy happiness. That's a complete lie. Welcome to another episode of Geek Money Life, where we talk about money and how to make sense out of your dollars. Now, you've probably heard that saying throughout your entire life, how money doesn't buy happiness and money isn't everything. But if you actually think about it, how did you feel whenever you didn't have money? If you've ever been in that position where you're broke, you don't have enough money to afford your living, and worst case, you don't have enough money to take care of your kids, your family, or maybe a family member who's sick, or maybe you're sick yourself, then I could 100% say that you're probably not happy. You're probably worse off than somebody who is wealthier, who has more money, who could actually afford to take care of the things and do things that people who don't have money can't do. And so that's the biggest thing that I want to talk about today, because I really feel that this whole message, and that's coming really from big multi-billion dollar companies, because a lot of times this is fed to you in the media, is the fact that money doesn't buy you happiness, money doesn't bring you a better life, when in reality it actually does. And specifically, money buys you more options. That's really what money gives you. It gives you more options to live the type of life that you want, to take care of the people and do the things that really you value and help people that you want to. Whereas if you're constantly broke and poor, it's really hard to focus on your things, because you're constantly thinking of how to survive. How do you take care of all the needs of yourself and your family without having to worry about getting kicked out of your house, or not having enough food to eat, or worse yet, not being able to afford the medical help that you and your family needs? So that's the main thing that I wanted to say about that this whole notion of money doesn't buy happiness is absolutely false. Whereas you should think of money gives you more options, so then in the end, you can do more things that actually make you happy. So if you actually had any thoughts on this, be sure to leave that in the comments area below. And as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to share, like, and subscribe.